I'm going to show you a strategy with these 3 free indicators on TradingView.com, and it's going to take your trading up a next level in 2023. Thank you for clicking on this video. My name is Trades by Mo. So we're on Bitcoin on the 5-minute chart, and we have these 3 indicators on the screen. You might recognize some of them, but we're going to use this to create wealth in 2023 using this super easy free strategy. I'd like to quickly tell you about TraderEdge. TraderEdge is a website that allows you to track your trades, backtest strategies, calculate position sizes, and so much more. Thousands of traders are using TraderEdge to get an edge on the competition. The backtester section allows you to easily track backtesting progress, and it provides a ton of important data. I've used this to backtest all of my strategies shared on the channel. TraderEdge also provides indicators and strategies that you can start using today to become a profitable trader. On top of all of this, TraderEdge is also giving you a step-by-step guide on backtesting worth $100. You'll also receive a full course on how to build a profitable mechanical trading strategy, which has a value of $240. If you sign up right now, they'll even throw in 4 pre-made high-quality strategies that are worth $100 alone. That's $470 worth of bonuses absolutely free, and they offer a 7-day free trial so you can try it out today completely risk-free. Make sure you click the link in the description to claim your bonuses now. And back to the video. So for this strategy to work, we want 3 things to happen. First thing we want is for price to be above this blue line right here, which is the 200 EMA. When price is above, we're only looking for buys, and when price is below, we're only looking for sells. The second thing we want is this indicator right here, which is the trend alert, has to be green for a buy. If there is no color like here, then we are not trading during this time. And the third and final thing we want is this QQE down here has to paint a buy indicator. This will appear on the close of that candle, and that means that it's safe to trade. So if you have the buy indicator paint on the QQE, the green indicator paint here, and price is above the 200 EMA, then we enter a position. Enter on the close of this candle right here. Stop loss at the recent swing low or the 200 EMA, and then we're targeting 2 times the risk. After this signal, you can see we had a sell, so that wouldn't be valid because we have the green alert here and price is above the 200. And then later we have a buy signal paint down here. Green for the alert, and price is above the 200 EMA, so we could enter that as well. Enter a long position. Close of this candle right here. Stop loss at the recent swing low. And then we're targeting 2 times the risk. Lovely. The opposite applies for a sell, so we want to make sure that price is below this blue line right here, which is the 200 EMA. That means that it's safe for us to trade. Secondly, we want to see that the trend alert down here is red. And then finally, the QQE down here must paint a sell signal, and there's one right here. So on the close of this white candle, we'll be able to enter a trade. Enter a short position. Stop loss at the recent swing high or the 200 EMA. And then we're targeting 2 times the risk. Okay, so the indicators that we use for this strategy, like I said, is the EMA right here. So you can go up to indicators, type in EMA, add this moving average exponential right here, set it to whatever color you want, and then set the length to 200. This second indicator right here is the trend alert. I've not changed any of the settings for this and left the colors the same. And then finally, this QQE down here is this one right here. But you can just type in QQE to find it. And it's that one right there. Okay, so I'm now going to backtest this strategy 100 times. Please hit the subscribe button if you enjoy the content, and I'll show you the results. Okay, so I've now backtested on the backtester with TraderEdge. We started with an initial account balance of $100, and in 100 trades we had a win rate of 61% and grew the account 397%. Getting all the way up to $497. We had 61 wins and 39 losses, with 5 consecutive wins and only 2 consecutive losses. But thank you very much for clicking on this video. If you've enjoyed this one, then click right here. But thank you again, and I'll see you on Friday.